Hello everyone, my name is Linh, a certified Vietnamese teacher. If you are planning a trip to Vietnam or you are doing a business or considering to settle down there, or you just want to learn Vietnamese to communicate to your Vietnamese friends, girlfriend, wife, and her family, this course is absolutely for you. With structured lessons, interactive and listening practice exercises, you will be able to understand, make conversations, connect with people, and integrate with the life and the Vietnamese culture. Join my waiting list to be the first one to know when the enrollment opens and to get a very special early bird discount. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and start your Vietnamese learning journey.